fun day if it's not too cold. We're taking a barge to go service, I think, like 3 Mercury 400 outboards on a midnight express, and it's gonna be on their lift. So we're gonna have to be doing everything from the water and on top of the boat, right on the lift. It'll be a fun day. Yeah, like right under the jet ski. Alright guys, we're doing a 300-hour service on some Mercury 350s. Doing spark plugs, thermostats, water pumps, fuel filter, oil filter on the barge. Working around some detailers, usually. Let's hope nothing falls in the water today. Oh yeah, here comes the boat wakes. Whee! Don't use anti-seize. Don't use it. disgusting. Changing the thermostat. Oh yeah, look at that. Looks beautiful. Oh yeah, some CRC. Got to take care of your children. After this, we'll all the way to the sky, get underneath it, and change some oil. Oh, it's $1,000. Change some gear oil. It smells like burnt tacos, dude. Oh no. Oh yeah. Crocs and socks. Flops and socks. Alright, so we got this top side of the motors done. We changed the belt, which is under here. It's the belt tensioner. We changed the inline fuel filter, oil filter. On this one, we had to change out the shift actuator. I'm not sure if you can see that. We had to remove a couple of things here. No big deal. Now we're draining oil and gear oil. Then we'll get the water pumps done. Found a few other things. Is the prop hubs are bad. The port side trim tab hose is busted and leaking fluid everywhere, so we're gonna get going on that now. Whoop. Super important fun fact about these inline 6 Mercuries: you cannot drop the lower units until you drain the engine oil, or you will dump, I don't know, probably like 2 or 3 quarts all over your body on the floor. It'll just be an absolute nightmare. So please drain the oil before you drop these. Very important. Ooh.
I feel like this one's taking forever to drain. Draining for like 45 minutes.
There's probably sludge in there. My left arm's stuck in my leaners. Oh yeah, they look brand new. Uh-oh. Nice. Nice. Nice, guys. That'll be 1,000. Oh, fet. All right, we got the water pumps changed. Putting gear cases back up, fill them with oil, then we can go do some wheelies. Oh yeah, she busted. Yeah. That's it, guys. Wrapping up. Did the full annual 300-hour service. We'll probably be back to fix some other things. Thanks for watching.